Hello, in today's video I'll try to explain how to fix your DREAME Aqua10 Ultra not charging. As you can see right here, I have the robot, and if it is not charging, then first thing is to make sure, of course, the charging base is plugged into power. That is always indicated with the white button, white light being lit up right here next to the DREAME logo. That indicates it. It's great. Once you know that, you need to clean the contacts. So the contacts are on the back of the robot, these metal parts, and you just clean them with a wet cloth. Then if you're using a wet cloth, make sure to also use a dry cloth afterwards to not leave too much wetness there. Yeah, that would be great if you had like an alcohol tissue or just isopropyl alcohol and any other Kleenex, whatever. Just clean it, and it's great. Then on the inside of the charging station, there are also contacts that you can see. One of them right here, the other one is right there. Those also need to be cleaned, and then you can simply put the robot in. Now, to put the robot in, it's easiest when you actually do it by pressing on the button on the robot, the home button. It will always return to a position that it can charge in. But if your robot is currently discharged or it doesn't want to go into the charging station for whatever reason, then you may want to put it in by hand, and it's way more difficult. But let's try. So make sure you're putting the back of the robot in, and the back of the robot just needs to slide in. Now it's going to be difficult, as I said. You can see it never wants to go in. Nothing wants to happen. Basically, it's just this like game of trying. Yeah, and just push it all the way in. It'll say start charging, or if it's discharged, it'll turn itself on. The light here will be on. Just make sure it's all the way in, and that should work. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.